Okay, there goes Yutaro in my car. He's going up to do a U-turn as we're going to do a couple of drive-bys. So we get the sound of that HKS. So we're going to cut this into a number of videos. Once again, this is Spin Rush C1. Again, always thanks for watching my videos. Just trying to put together some content that's fun and entertaining. Again, we're having a little fun out here on Hakone Skyline before we head back home. And it's absolutely beautiful out here. We're almost at sunset. You can see the countryside there. It's just really, really nice. This is a place where the boys come to play. He did that U-turn really quick. I asked where he did that U-turn. I thought he was supposed to go all the way up back to the parking area to do that U-turn. Well, that's good. I can still hear it. He's off in the distance, and I can still hear it. I like that. This is probably the best time to do it. Again, this is a Wednesday. There's nobody out here on the skyline, so we could really hear nothing but nature. Here it comes to get that sound. That's golden. That's golden right there. Money in the bank. Money in the bank. Hit the like button. Hit subscribe. Comment down below. What did you think? That's the HKS L-Spec Exhaust, the HKS SQIV blow-off valve, the intercooler, the whole set, man. And that's what I wanted my car to sound like. Can't wait till he rolls back. We got to talk about this. All right? Once again, comment down below. Let me know what you think. Motherfucker. Still going with my car, man. He's having too much fun right now. Got it twice. Got it twice. Hey, this is Spin. We're out here again. This is just the Hakone Ashinoko Skyline that we're just cruising on. Here's what it's supposed to look like. You're supposed to see like Numazu and Mount Fuji and over there, but you see the Mount Fuji is really, well, it's not there. You can't see it. It's impossible. But it is very green. And the ocean looks great up here. And then, this is evidence of life on the Turnpike. What's this? Mr. Donuts has been here. I've been doing a lot of donuts and a lot of burnouts. They'll come up here to play with their cars. I'm just as guilty. Only thing is I can't do donuts with a front wheel drive. Life is not perfect, but yeah, it is what it is. Let me take some pictures here before the sun goes down.